Tracking, that is the ball was able to be tracked right and left, ma'am. Now we have built up the program and we have made it to track front and back. The main thing we are using behind is image processing. So we capture with the thing in the limitation of our bottle, it works only with white background for now, but we can improve. So we take a reference image with a white, only a white sheet. Then we take a ball and we calculate the. We take another
application.
Industrial application, and one more important application is it can be used like a spy. We definitely track whoever. If we say we have to track this human beings, if we built it up to that extent, it will definitely track the person. And it's such a small watch, so it will travel in a secret way and it can detect the person. And even in industry.
Any new idea you have built this? Already so many things tracking robotics is available. So any new thing you have built?
We built up the base thing only, ma'am. We only built up the base.
Yes, fine, sir. But this is the cheapest mode of charging.
Okay. What is the practical cost for duplicate charger?
Duplicate charger. Hardly for 50 to 60 rupees.
Okay, how much this is?
This costs just 30 rupees, and this is the components which cost around 15 rupees. So this is almost around 45, less than 50, definitely.
Have you got this one? So is it possible to get this one certified by any test?
Maybe yes. Might be.
On what basis? Which parameter are you saying?
Only because of its cost basis. Because expensive basis.
Because you have to say with respect to operating terms, then only your product will be clear.
In terms of operating power, if we consider, we can't afford to have the ISO certification basis of operating power. So, we consider because of efficiency or even in the power, we can't get the ISO certification. But one day on the basis of cost, yes. So, actually, sir, last year we participated in traffic.
What is the application? So what are the algorithms already used? New innovative idea.
LSP algorithm வந்து இமேஜுக்கு வந்து அந்த அளவுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இல்லை. ஏன்னா இமேஜில் இருக்க நமக்கு LSP algorithm யூஸ் பண்ணி கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணோம்னா பிக்சல்ஸ் சேஞ்சஸ் நடக்கும். அதனால் வந்து விவோ வந்து இமேஜ் பிக்சல்ஸ்க்குள்ள டேட்டா நம்ம ஸ்டோர் பண்ணுறது நம்மளோட இமேஜ் வந்து பிக்சல்ஸாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுவோம். எவ்வளோ பிக்சல்ஸ் இருக்கோ அவ்வளோ பிக்சல்ஸ் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ஒவ்வொரு பிக்சலுக்கும் ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் டேட்டா நம்ம டேட்டா வந்து செக்யூராக வச்சுக்கலாம். இது வந்து நம்ம சோஷியல் நெட்வொர்க் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், பேங்க் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து செக்யூர் ட்ரான்ஸ்மிஷன்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்.
C sharp எழுதி. அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் இருக்கா? எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்கா? இப்போ கார்பரேட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களா C sharp?
நீங்களே பண்ணீங்களா இல்லை எக்ஸிஸ்டான அல்கோரிதம் அதில் நீங்கள் என்ன சேஞ்ச் பண்ணீங்க?
நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து இதுக்கு முன்னாடி
ஸோ அது ரெண்டு அந்த அல்கோரிதம்
Already security alarm இருக்கு. What is the new things you have included here? Anything new? Secure wise or alarm wise, anything new? Okay, attending. No, ICU, sorry.
CD 4011.
How the relay is energized? How
Instead of relay, buzzer can be IC. DC 5% transistor is 1, then resistor 1K and 4.7K capacitor also 0.1.
LDR buzzer sound comes from buzzer and LDR goes.
அங்கே எதாவது அப்ளிகேஷன்
Like in door, if fix panna, when person enters, shadow will fall on that and LDR buzzer will go due to high resistance.
Okay, what is the use? What is the application?
Without
Shadow, what you are going to...
when thieves enter, like that we can detect this.
No, if anybody enters, it will show
During
alarm.
night time-
How can you identify whether it is thief or...
There is no need of calling bells. In both the cases, it can be used. Instead of using calling bell, this can be used, and it can also detect thieves.
What is the difficulty of using calling?
It's nothing difficult even, but two-in-one use process. You know, they have to use a calling bell for a door, and if you use this, it can detect even thieves.
It can be either
இப்போ அவங்க பண்ண செக்யூரிட்டி தான் பண்ணுறீங்களா இல்லை வேறு டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக பண்ணுறீங்களா?
Same second.
it can be either used like like a calling bell, and we can use it in bank, and physically disabled people can use this to alert people around them at some emergency cases.
What is the application?
That's what
Many criminal activities in the offices can happen.
in bank, we can use it as an alarm during theft.
Switch off the lights. All the lights will switch off.
Sir, it should be full dark.
Full dark. Explain the concept of this project.
Sir, this is a leading Christmas light, sir. It depends on the LDR and LED. With the increase in fall and light, the LDR resistance will increase. And if light is not there, the resistance will increase. Then LED will grow. And it has a CD4090 IC chip, and it has 4 NAND gates, 2 input terminals and one output terminal. And with the increase in the light, T1, the transistor, it consists of 2 transistors, sir. T1 will be going to high sleep and T2 will be going to low sleep, then LED will not also. And when light is not there, the transistor T1 will go to low sleep and transistor T2 will go to high sleep and LED will go to low sleep.
Hey, one the output. இது பண்ணலையா மினி ப்ராஜெக்ட் மினி ப்ராஜெக்டாக தான் நாங்கள் போட்டோ எடுத்து வந்தோம். சரி இப்போ தான் கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அவுட் வந்துச்சா என்ன எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்
1, 2, 3, 4.
சார் லைன் ஃபாலோ அதான் எப்படி வச்சுருக்கோம்னா இந்த இடத்துல வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் சார் ஏன் எப்படி இன்ஃப்ராரெட் சென்சார் சார் when it senses there if an obstacle is kept in right side ஓடிச்சிடா மேம் if an obstacle is in right side the left will stop rotating sir only the right will rotate so it will turn right side to avoid the obstacle. The obstacle is kept to left side so the left will stop rotating or to right side and rotate to avoid the obstacle. So that's what the sensor means sir.
So if both sensors in sense it goes straight.
Both
What is the social need of this project?
Source for identification of route for placing an object from one place to another. For heavy object we can use
can be used in mountain cliff treks and also if you go near a valley, if there's no object to stop the sensor. For up mountain top
or obstacle is sense if obstacle is there it will sense it rightly and will go in the right direction sir. If we even in hill station you saw sir the route will be like that sir.
Like valley sir.
Valley. So if we go straight it will be done we get damaged. So that when it is going right this way direction it will sense here since an obstacle is there so we have to move right so that it will move in this way and follows the right path.
The use of this condenser microphone is to convert the sound signal into electrical signal, and the electrical signal will be fed to both these transistors, which will amplify the signal and give it to the NE555 timer. The use of this NE555 timer is to produce a pulsating square signal. So if we clap, the LED will be blown for 5 seconds. So if we want to minimize the time duration, we got to change the value of the capacitors.
Just show the output.
So it will be off after 5 seconds.
Then we did not do this project, huh?
This is just another way to switch on and off the light.
இப்போ மூவ் பண்ணி இது பண்ணுங்க. கொடு.
radiation reflect ஆகி அப்புறம் ஐஆர் சென்சர் வந்து சென்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு எல்இடி வந்து க்ளோ ஆகும்
the sensor's portable voltage is 5 volt. Here we are using a 12 volt transformer, so that the supply is given to the transformer. From the transformer, 5 volt is given to the supply board and the programmer board. Here we are using a voltage regulator. From this supply board, 5 volt is given to the sensors, and from this voltage regulator we are taking 5 volt and giving it to the programmer board. We are using PIC microcontroller here. The sensors and the microcontroller are interfaced.
Here we are using the assembly C language programming. Whenever time is less than 5 seconds, one of green light glows for this traffic control, and here red light glows for this traffic control. And whenever it senses an object, this IR sensor